Good morning, all. Today we shall start lesson 7, part 3, Tea from Assam. In this lesson, there are two main characters. One is Rajveer, who is from Delhi, and he is a person who is always excited to learn about new things. Second is the Pranjal, who is a friend and classmate of Rajveer, and he belongs to Assam. We all know that Assam is the tea country. Pranjal's father is the manager of the tea garden in Upper Assam. So Pranjal, he has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. Lesson is starting with the journey of Rajveer and Pranjal as they are going to Assam. During their journey, they discuss about the various legends that are known to have discovered teas. Let's begin our lesson. First line of the lesson is telling us that there was a tea vendor who was calling for the tea. This is the scene of a train station where a tea vendor, he was asked the two friends if they would like to buy some freshly made hot tea, and they decided that they would have a cup of tea. After that, with this, Pranjal highlights the fact almost 80 crore cups of tea are consumed every day throughout the world, where Rajveer remains surprised on listening to it. As we all know that tea is very popular all over the world. And now the train started. And as soon as the train started moving, Pranjal got engaged in reading his detective book. Both the friends were the huge fans of the detective books, but Rajveer chose to look at the scenic beauty at that moment. There was greenery all around and something Rajveer had never seen before. And after the green paddy fields, their tea plantations came. As far as he was able to look, only tea bushes were visible, so much so that the narrator compared it to the sea of the tea bushes. In the background, there were hills with a dense forest. In between the tea plantation, there were rows of tall and strong trees that were moving because of the wind, and it was just an amazing view which the Rajveer was enjoying while sitting in the train. And then afterward, when the train was moving, then Rajveer saw an ugly looking building with smoke coming out of it. It was a tea garden. Rajveer got excited, but Pranjal, who had seen all this during his childhood, did not so much excited because his friend was so enthusiastic and he was so excited. Means Rajveer was so excited as he was seeing all this for the first time. But for Pranjal, he was familiar with this since his childhood, so there was nothing excitement in the Pranjal, but the Rajveer was very much excited. Then Pranjal tells him that they have entered Assam, which is known as the tea country. The state has the maximum number of tea plantations in the world. As I told you that Rajveer, who was of curious by nature, and he wanted to know each and everything. So before coming to the tea country, before coming to the Assam, he read many books about Assam, about tea gardens, and he read a lot of books and how it was discovered and all. He told to Pranjal that he had read many books. He read much about the legends of the tea. Legends, as we have read in class 9, the meaning of legend. Legend means a short story. Here, Rajveer told that there were numerous theories, and one of which was about a Chinese emperor who had a habit of drinking boiled water. And once, what had happened? Once upon a time, when he was boiling that water, few leaves fell into it and it tasted delicious. Few leaves of tea fell into that water and it has become a delicious drink. It is said that those leaves were of tea leaves. Dear student, this is the explanation up to page number 95, third paragraph. In today's class, we learned that Pranjal and Rajveer, these were the two friends who were visiting to Assam by train, and where in the train they bought tea, and they were talking about the tea. As the train started, Pranjal has become busy in reading the book, whereas Rajveer, he was enjoying the scenic beauty outside the train, and it was greenery everywhere as far as he could see, and the soft green paddy bushes gave the way to the tea bushes. And he learned that he was means then at that time Pranjal told him that they entered into the Assam. Then Rajvi told him that there are many legends about the discovery of tea. The Chinese said that they have discovered the tea, that there was one emperor who was boiling the water and who liked to drink that boiled water, and by chance a leaf of tea fell into that water and it has become delicious in taste. And in this way Chinese have discovered tea and tea making started.